something pretty bad happened to me in the sawmill or factory or whatever it's called. But in case you guys didn't see that video, I made there was two attempts of the whole exploring the abandoned sawmill or factory or whatever. And the video today that you're about to see is the first attempt where I tried sneaking in there and I got caught. With that being said, it's not always a good idea exploring the abandoned. I mean, yeah, sure, it has its ups and downs and stuff, like there's good things about it and stuff, yes, but just especially it's dangerous, you know, it's dangerous especially to go alone. But what happened to me would probably scar me for life, so I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and see the video and stuff. It's not long, excuse me, it's not long, it's not long, but yeah, I don't know. Anyway, enjoy. What's up, guys? The Hanson here, and today we are exploring an abandoned factory. I don't know why did I say we? I also got a giant light shining on my face. That's lovely. So today we're exploring an abandoned factory. I said that already. I don't know why I said it again. So the only history I have about this place is that it was called Stardell. But I'm starting to see a lot of colors and shapes and stuff, and that's probably not good. So without further ado, let's go. Alright, so wait, hold on, gotta go my camera. Okay, there we go, got my light. Looks like the first room is here. Let's go in here. What's over there? I'm not sure if I should go over there because, you know, the floor is bad. Oh god, oh, what was that? Oh, okay, great. It's a dead end. Is there anything in here? So like I said, I did have to sneak. Oh, I probably didn't say that. I had to sneak in here. Oh, I don't really need my flashlight in here. Sweet! I did have to sneak in here because, you know, me being the stealthy man I am. Doesn't look like we can go anywhere over here, which that's a bum. I hope I'm not blinding you guys with my flashlight. Not flashlight, flash. What is that? Did you guys hear that? Okay, it's probably nothing, but oh god. Ooh. Alright, new room.
Hey!
What? Oh.
What the fuck you think you're doing here?
Sir, I'm sorry, I was just exploring. Dude, I'm sorry, I was just exploring. Gotcha!
Hey!
Alright, so sorry about that, guys, but it was just a prank. We got my boy Nick here.
Yeah.
What's up, Nick? All of that was just a prank. It was just a little Halloween prank, I guess I would say. All of us we're fine. It's not a real gun. It's just a BB gun. None of us got hurt or anything. It was all fake. There you go, that beauty.
Put a round in it. Hold on.
So like I said, all of that was just a prank. I've explored this place. I've explored this place. Oh shoot! I've explored this place before. You guys probably saw that. You see Nick. I'm pretty sure you guys saw Nick in my other videos. So I hope this was convincing to you guys. But either way, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to become a subscriber today. And as always, stay awesome, guys. And guys, make sure you have a nice and safe Halloween. I love you.
I see your monsters. I see your pain. Tell me your problems. I'll chase them away.